Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Siti Nur Sahira binti Ahmad Nazib. My matric number is 40DTP 20F10C8. I'm here to share about laser beam machining process. First of all, I want to share about my contents. First, introduction. Second, working process. Third, application. And the last one is advantage and disadvantage. The introduction is LBM is a laser beam machining process. Laser beam machine or LBM is non-traditional machining process, which is a thermal machining process that use laser beam to produce heat. And due to that heat, metal is removed from the surface of workpiece due to vaporization. That you can see the picture in the slide. We have workpiece, lens, flash lamp, laser crystal, and others. End of the topic is work process. First, gas is filled in laser discharge tube. Second, switch on the power supply, which is connected to the flash lamps. Lamps produce light energy which exits the electrons of atoms. Third, the last one is this lends the jump of electron from low energy level to high energy level, so that atoms become unstable at high energy levels. This energy innately blend up in laser material. When the atoms absorb surface energy, it starts emit energy continuously. This laser light collected by the focus lens and direct towards the workpiece. Vaporization takes place on the surface, the workpiece, and machining takes place. The next topic is applications. The application have 5 points. First, engraving. Second, welding. Third, surface treatment. Fourth, cutting. And the last one is drilling, shipbuilding, automobile, aerospace, steel, electrical, and medical industries. The last one in this topic are advantage and disadvantage. Advantage. First, there is no direct contact between the tool and workpiece. Second, it can machine both conductive as well as non-conductive metal. Third, it can be focused to very small diameter, thus extremely small diameter hole can be machined in the workpiece, and higher machining accuracy are possible. Fourth, there is no tool, whereas in conventional process, there is no tool, whereas in conventional process. The second last is compact shapes of different size can be machined as the lace can be moved in any part. And the last one of advantage is it gives very good surface finish. The disadvantage have 3 points. First, it requires a lot of energy for machining process. Second, very low rate of material removal. Second, very low rate of material removal. The last one is the lifespan of the lamp is short. Thank you for listening. Bye.